Hi, this is Mason, coming at you from after the fact. The video has already been made, and I am currently editing, but I have realized that I did not tell y'all to not do what I just did, or what I'm about to do. It is dumb. I am a professional idiot, and I am doing this. I don't know why I did it. To appease my curiosity? It's dumb. But that may be for you to decide. Anyhow, let's get right into the video. Hello everybody and welcome to another episode of Mason Screwed Up, so now he has to fix it. This is a wire. And this I broke. This yellow pin goes to the yellow wire, but the yellow pin would not correctly hook up to the Nintendo 64. So, we're gonna need to sacrifice one of the audio cables. And that may sound bad, I know, but I'm not losing anything. There's only two plugs, one for video and one for audio. So that means I'm already losing an audio channel. Why not just fix the problem where it is? So as you can see, I've already did some screwing around beforehand, and I've ended up completely screwing up the pin. But that's okay. That pin wasn't really connecting in the first place. So, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna try to rip out one of the audio pins and use it for video. What could go wrong? What could go wrong? Let's find out. Okay, so I've got the Nintendo 64 hooked up, and the TV's hooked up. Now all that's needed to do is to plug in the wire. And now the TV's on, and I can plug in the yellow wire, and nothing will happen because of course nothing will happen. It's literally not hooked up to the board. But there should be some stuff happening on the audio side. Okay, so the red wire works. Is there any data going through the white wire at all? There's nothing going through the white wire. That sucks. How did I screw up the white wire too? Well then, since the white wire's not working for audio, I know which one we're gonna abuse. Okay, but first, before I completely rip apart and destroy this plug, I'm gonna rip apart and destroy this plug to try to get an attack from the top. Okay, so I have this long metal rod, and my original idea was to go in from the top, but that's not possible. So the second idea is to go in from the back. Before I have to oh yeah, don't ask me about the saws. I've been soldering a lot lately, and it's just burnt everything. So let's check this out. Okay, so as we can see looking down inside, my little fix is now in there. So, hopefully, without having to completely destroy the plug, I can just have that thing up there come down and touch the pin, and it should put out video. In theory, in a perfect world it should. But sometimes things don't work like that. But let's just test it out anyways. Okay, now let's test out my handiwork, or lack thereof, if anything happened. Nothing is on the screen. I'm gonna wiggle the pin a little bit. Try to see if something, literally anything happens. Nope. What about directly trying to engage that pin? You see that pin second from the left? That's the pin, that's the video pin. Let's see if I can engage it directly just by touching the metal to it. Okay, surprisingly, directly engaging the pin did not work. We're now gonna have to get invasive. Take a good look at it, because this is the last time this is probably gonna be in this condition. Let's go! Okay, take a good look at this, because this is the last time it's gonna be in this condition. I don't sound that enthusiastic because I just don't know if this will work. And wait, no. In fact, this should be something I should be having fun on. I have a new wire on the way. So if I can fix this old wire, hey, that's pretty cool. But if I don't, there's nothing to be ashamed of, because I've got another one on the way. So let's get down to it. A perfect extraction. As you can see, where I messed up, that thing right there has no bit like that on it, because I've accidentally screwed that up by pulling it out. So now let's try to see if I can get a good camera angle like that and try to put it back in without dropping the phone. Oh. Oops, I forgot to set the pin back. I forgot to set the thing back. So. Can you not throw things at me? Because I am trying to fix a really old relic of the past. I have got to be real careful with this thing, because did I set it back to where it would just allow me to push it in? No, of course not. It wouldn't be that easy. It's always gotta be like a little thing that's like hard to do because they don't want you fixing the things yourself. There we go. This thing is perfectly flat. I'm gonna zoom out to where I can have a little bit more fidget room with the footage and hopefully get a good camera angle. And now, will it allow it to go all the way in? Yeah. Okay, good. Good, that is great. That's a little not good because ah, dang it, already got locked into place. So that means I'm gonna have to push it back down, pull it out, and then wait. You know what? We're putting it back in. So now the right pin should be the video pin. Let's check out what happened. Well, that's a little disappointing. I'll try to mess with the white pin a little bit. Okay, so now as a secondary defense, I'm gonna have to take out these black wires and swap them. Because I moved the red wire to video. The red wire is now video, because the white wire was not complying with me. The white wire was not working, so the red wire is now video, and I'm now gonna have to swap the two black wires so that the neutrals will not interfere with each other. I know the red wire is working because whenever I plug it into the video, the TV goes completely black. So that means I know I'm getting a signal, it just can't put out that signal because it has the wrong neutral. Let's fix it. One black wire out, one to go. Okay, so now I'm going to need to do the absolute skillful switch. I'm gonna have to do the skillful switch of the black wires, and then after that, this should be good. I should be able to plug in the red wire and get video. Let's go. Okay, so unplug that from there. Okay, so this was right there, okay? So now, put this I might need to bend it the other way so that it's not as all wound up. Okay, so now just push it in. And then, once again, for the bottom side, you gotta get it. You gotta get it real good, untangled, and then come on, go in. Okay, the wire is completely unrecognizable from whenever I first started this video. So now, plug in the TV. Wait, was that the TV or was that the console? No. Whatever this thing is. That was the TV, okay. And now, plug it in. Turn on the TV. Turn off the light of the phone. Okay. And now, that's the red wire. That's I'm so happy. Okay, now look. Okay, red wire. Unplug red wire. Put it back. Oh my god. I did it. Okay. Big Al. Wait. Okay, let's start the game. Oh my gosh. Star Fox. In what? Nintendo 64. 1997. Wait. What sort of data is still on the cart? Oh, wait. No, do not clear save data. Ranking. Training. Do a barrel roll. Welcome to training mode. To ascend, pull back. To descend, push forward. Wait. Oh. This is actually quite cool that I did this. I did not expect to do this, but 3 gold rings increase my shield gauge. Okay, what's that mean? Okay. Well, that's enough Star Fox for today. Because I did something amazing, and I just wanted to share that with y'all guys. Well then, see ya.